Do not wait. Do not wait until the time is right to seriously improve your business English. If you know that you need to speak better English for your career, but you think that you're too busy, watch this episode. Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina. Step-by-step business English lessons to help you learn faster and feel more confident so you can have the life and career that you love. You know, I talk to so many people who want to do something to finally solve their problems with English. But then they say, I'm too busy, or I'll start in a few months, or I need to think about it. You know that you are ready to change something, to change your habits, to get more confidence, to feel better about the way that you speak English. And you've been feeling this for a long time. You know, every time that you can't express your ideas in meetings in English, or that you miss a job opportunity, or you feel just limited due to your English, it reminds you that something has got to change. But then what happens next? Often one of the following two options. Either you say, I'm too busy right now, or, I'll wait until later, and you continue to feel frustrated about your business English, or you make a decision and you say, that's it. I have to do something now because this is really important for me. And you make the decision to do something because you're tired of waiting for the right time. You decide that now is the right time because after all, it is your decision. And, I realize that it's not easy because it means that you have to change your habits. You have to look at how you spend your time, maybe reorganize your routines, even maybe discuss your decision with others around you so that you can make time to improve your business English. Maybe you have to develop more discipline and not just do English when you feel motivated or when you have a little bit of free time, but to develop a real routine for improving. Now, sure, I know that you can't control how you spend all of the time in your day. You have certain obligations, we all do, but don't let others control all of your time. Time is your most valuable resource, and if they control your time, they control your life. They control your future. And you want to control those things. And that's why it is so important to make time, not find time, but make time to improve your English if that is important for you and important for your career and maybe just for your own satisfaction and happiness. Like I said, you have that power to decide to take control now or to continue waiting until the time is, right. And, will it ever be the right time or waiting until you're less busy? And has that ever happened? But the longer you wait, the more difficult it is to change. But like I said, the good news is that you have the power to decide that now is the time to stop waiting. And once you realize this, and once you realize that you have that power, you can open the door to so many opportunities, a better salary, more job security, more professional credibility and leadership, and just more personal satisfaction also. And maybe that personal satisfaction is the most important thing because you don't want to feel like English is holding you back from the things that you want. So, how do you know if English is holding you back in your career or if you're all good? I'm creating a quiz for you to help you know for sure, and I'll send it to you this Friday if you are on my email list. So, if you want to know if English is holding you back in your career, then go to ChristinaRebuffet.com, sign up to get my emails, and I'll send you this quiz on Friday. The honest truth is that nothing will change until you make time to make the change. So let's just see if now is that time. And let me know what you think about this episode down in the comments below. Or what questions do you have? Because your questions inspire me and give me lots of great ideas for these episodes. So I can't wait to hear, or to read rather, what you have to say in the comments. All right. Thanks a lot for learning with me, and I'll see you next time.